Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss enable ultra cooling mode in any phone. Click settings, click additional settings, then click developer option, then turn off all animation scale. Follow my screen. You can turn on this option if you want. If you turn on this option, no apps will be running in the background. Then click location. Click Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Then open Google Play Store. Then search CPU Cooler Cleaner Booster. Install this app. Open app. Select Do Not Ask Again. Allow app permission. Click OK. Click Cool Down. Click Cool Down. Thanks for watching.